my babies, it's your girl where secrets come at you with another video. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell somebody else, because we is Liddy over here. And y'all, in today's video I'm going to do my first attempt of doing an ombre nail. So y'all, I purchased this what is it, it's like neon pastel color acrylic from Amazon. What is this, Seville? I don't know. I purchased this from Amazon. So we're going to see how this is. Let me just lift this up some. Hold on, I'm trying to open it. This is not working. So we'll see how this come out. I usually, I don't even do ombre nails because I know that's not my strongest nail technique. I kind of like to stick to what I know. Hold on, I'm trying to open this. So here we go. What is that, 10 colors? And let's see what colors they have. What is this? This is in mauve. It's like a purple. Laser purple. This is in a glitter. Stone wash. It's kind of like a denim color. Light purple. Another glitter color. This is laser rose gold. Coral pink. Light orange. This is in baby blue. Laser silver, another glitter color. And this is just in white. So y'all, this is my first attempt of doing an ombre nail, so let's see how this goes. I want to do 2 colors, so I'm going to try the coral pink, and these are in 0.35 ounce containers. So we're going to do that color. And also try this mauve color. So regardless if this come out right or not, I'm still going to post it. Dang, I would do this. Y'all done put the thing. Alright, so let's go in for it. So I picked these 2 long nails because I figure it gives me more to work with. Now, this is my first time trying this company. This is not sponsored. This is something I just purchased. So from what I see on the videos, you do your French part, like what would be the French tip first. So we're going to try. Okay, it's pretty good. And y'all, I'm using my Mia Secret monomer. I done got it all under the nail. Okay, it's pretty pigmented. It's drying a little cool for the most part. Not too fast. It's workable. I'm scared. So once again, this is my first time doing an ombre nail. If you got some, I don't know, some points and stuff, this is okay. I would say this is good to use to practice. That's alright. It ain't me a secret. Okay. I think you're supposed to like let this dry some. So I'm gonna move on to the next color, or the next nail. And then we're going to, I don't know, maybe I'll just do the coral one with this nail. That's a pretty color. So it's okay. It is drying a little fast, but not too fast that it's not going to be, you know, hard to work with. So I don't know how far you're supposed to go down. I'm just guesstimating, y'all, because once again, first time doing an ombre nail. Okay, that's that one. And let's just try doing the ombre nail with this coral color, the same one. I don't know, y'all. Kind of scared. Oh, okay. I guess I didn't do too bad. Will I be doing this on my nails? Probably not. Definitely not a fan of this. I thought it was cute, but Alright, y'all, that's my first attempt of the ombre nail. Oh, child. So that's that nail. And then I was thinking about with the other nail, maybe trying my Tammy Taylor powder, because this has a tint of pink. I just want to see how it will look with the pink ombre effect. So let's just see how this gonna go. Or I don't know. Let's just see. I'm gonna try to go for 3 colors, y'all. So I'm gonna just put the Tammy Taylor right here, which is kind of like just blending in a little bit. I don't know, maybe that's too subtle of a pink. Like, I can see the difference, but it's not a big difference. I don't know, let's probably go in. I would knock that over. Let's go in with baby blue. So we have the coral color, the Tammy Taylor, and we're going to try the baby blue. Okay, so this is kind of coming out a little cute. Alright, y'all, so this is my first attempt and maybe my last of the ombre nail. This is how each nail came out. It was okay. Was it my cup of tea? No, but I don't know. I don't know, y'all. This is my first attempt. Please don't laugh at me too much. But yeah, this is my first attempt of an ombre nail, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.